Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 8. We're saving $6-ish a day in my daily binder. This is the dashboards and prop coins are from Kimmy over at Kimmy's Corner, and we are going to start in the very back where I have been inspired by some amazing ladies in this community for the daily roll. And what I decided is I am going to bring $6 for my minis and $6 for my daily roll, and anything that I get that doesn't add up to 6 will roll over into my daily, so I get to add a little bit more there. So that's kind of fun to put a little bit extra money in my minis, but it's also fun to be able to save for my $1,000 savings challenge. That was for my 1,000th video that I did on YouTube, so that is free on my Ko-fi. So I am going to set the money here. I have my honey bling dice. 1. Oh my goodness. That's pretty exciting though for today's dailies, but I do love my ones though, so. Alright, so we're going to put 1 here. I'll put the 1 back in the back, and then we'll put this up here. Alright, so we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11 that we are putting into our bank, and then we will exchange that for some prop coins. So the prop coins I keep here always equal to $6, and they are in quarters. Now back here, I should have up to $5 because we would roll, we'd at least get a 1. So we have 51, 52, 53, 54. That's 10. Oh, I know why, because I have it right over here. 50, 11. Perfect. All right, so we're just gonna do this, pick this one up. They all ended up bunched up together yesterday anyway, so. Not doing very well with this, but let's see. And then can I shuffle it like this? Let's see. Ooh, I did it. Oh, these are nice. Oh, now I want to just go shuffle cards. Okay. I could do that all day. All right, so we are going to go to our paper clip, which is on number 3. And let's see what we got today. 1, 2, and 3 for 3. We're going to take the 1. 1, 2, 3 for 5. 1 and 2 for 6. I probably should have got my D4. 1 and 2. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. I like all the 3s. I jinxed it. My bad. Sorry, 5. Oh my goodness. I'm going to take that 2, even though I blocked it with my hand. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 for 3. 1 and 2 for 4. 1, 2, and 3 for 5. So we will start at number 6. Tomorrow. All right, so we're just going to scooch that. All right, so number 1 got 50, 75, $1, $1.25. And number 1 is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. Oh, we needed $1.50. So close, but that's all right. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1.25. we will finish that one tomorrow. All right. And then number 2. Ooh, number 2 got a lot of 50s. So we have 50, $1, and then we have 50, 75, $1. So $2 for number 2. We just needed 75 cents. This is from LJ's Butterflies. So we have 25, 50, 75. So let's take a 50 and a 25. And then this one is done. This one is going to Walmart Plus. And we have $1, $2, $3, $4. Great. So we have $1.25 we can put into a new one. Look at how pretty the Q one is. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Let's see. What is this one? Another one from Becca Budget 777, your berry special. So this will be $5. Every square is 25 cents. So I might do a green. So I will be right back. All right, so we got that one all up to date. We'll put our 25 here and our 50 there. That was what we just did. Okay, so number 3. Number 3 got $1, 25, 50, 75, $2.25. Oh, we get to color. Yes. Okay. So these look like cupcakes, but I guess they could be ice cream in a like a little squat, like not the is it the cake cone? No. I don't know. Whatever it is, I will be. What do I get to do? Sorry, I got started thinking about coloring. So we have $1.25 and $1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will be right back. Okay, I couldn't help it. I had to do it. This one is adorable. One is from Save with Judy. Nice progress on that. These are all 25. And these two are 50. All right, number 4. Got 50, 75, $1, and then 25, 50, 75. So $1.75 coming in here. This one is one of mine. This is the third. Steve Harvey Hudson III. I named him on my live probably over a year ago. So we have $1.75. All right, there we go. And then number 5. So we have 50, 75, $1, 25, 50, 75, $2.25. So $2.25. This one is from Nicole at Savings Over 50. So let's see, we have 25, 50, 75, $1, $1.25, so that's that. And then we have another $1. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1. Awesome. Ding dong. I thought my phone was on silent. It is not. And then 50 back there. And then number 6, we have 50, $1, and then 25.50. So $1.50 coming in here. This one is from Lisa. She Persisted Budgeting and Saving. It's in this big, huge, gorgeous honey bee binder book that she has. So we have $1.50. So 25.50, 75, $1, 25.50. All right, so we are caught up with this one. All right, so we did finish a couple. So we should have $5. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Perfect. I'll leave that there. Come back up here. Put these quarters away. Because we know we'll at least bring $6 for our dailies. All right, so we finished this one from LJ's Butterfly. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 going for Summer Vibes. And this is going where? Walmart Plus. All right, since I can remember 1, I will put this in here. We'll close this one up. And put $4 into Walmart Plus. We haven't counted this one in a while. 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Awesome. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.